Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am simplikeii. So you getting real footage. I was relaxing on my couch, hits while my pillows, some of my pillows are over there and some of my pillows on the floor. But I was relaxing on my couch and I was like, let me do a what's on my nails video. Have not done one in a while. And I was like, I'm not doing nothing. I'm gonna sit in my living room because I'm trying not to stay in my room so much and be in my bed so much that you know, trying to do something different. So I'm gonna watch TV, make some chili dogs, and I was like, let me go and get this video out here, give me something to do. And I haven't like did a what's on my nails video with you guys in a long time. So okay, so I'm gonna first show you what my inspiration was, which will be over here. So I really liked these nails. Don't ask me why. The shape is what really got me. Although I've had the shape numerous of times, I really liked the shape, and then I liked it the color because I don't think I've ever tried that color. I think I might have tried it last year for my birthday, and that was it. I kind of steer away from that particular color because it stains really bad and it gets dirty really fast. But I decided to get it anyway and just, you know, do something different from what I normally would do. So yes, that was my inspiration, and I opted out to not put the stones on there just because I am a little rough when it comes to nails. So I didn't get the stones, and I had her put the acrylic just a little bit thicker because I'm a girly girl, but I'm a tomboy girly girl. So I'm a tomboyish girl. So so I had her thicken the acrylic and not do the stones. So this is what we came up with. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully my camera will focus. And if you can't see it, which you should be able to, I also put a picture here. Now she was for the glitter, for the glitter on the nail, she was gonna do a silver, and I was like, no, it's too silver. It was a silver glitter, but it was just too silver. So I opted for this glitter instead, and I actually like this. Don't get me wrong, I do like this is called soft white. If y'all hear anything, my children are outside on my porch playing. I do like the soft white, but I think I like the glitter more. So I think next time when I go get my nails done, I'm gonna have her do this exact glitter on my nails and probably just paint one of them silver. But I think this is really pretty. My nails typically last me a month, so I won't be going back for a month. I got me and my daughters, I got both our toes done and my nails, and I paid like $120 for everything. To y'all that might be a lot, but if you add it up, if you're going every 2 weeks anyway, I don't know about y'all, but when I was going every 2 weeks, I would spend like $35, $40, sometimes $50 if I got like extra stones and stuff put on my nails. So it's no different from when I'm going every 2 weeks. If you add that up, it's about the same. And then as far as my toes go, I'm real particular about my feet. So I can go to a nail shop and pay $10, or I could pay $15, but then I need the massage stones, I need the wax, I need the leg massage, I need the foot massage, I need all that. So typically, because that's what I want, not what you should get, but that's what I want, and I work hard, and that's probably for a minute, that's probably gonna be the only indulgence I have. I'm on a no buy, so I'm not shopping right now. So there will be no wigs, no clothes, no shoes, no nothing. So with that being said, I'm gonna spend money on my nails. So, and this is what I typically spend anyway. Typically if it's just me, I'll spend like $80, but because I had her, you know, if mommy getting a stone and wax, she getting it too, and probably like, she number 15, that's mine, and I spend my coin how I choose to spend my coin, and you spend your coin how you choose to spend your coin. But yeah, I did get my toes painted in an off-white. I'm gonna let y'all see those in a few, just to match my nails. Typically I like to match my nails with my feet. I'm really scared of this color though, because white tends to get it starts getting dingy and it starts staining really bad. And majority of the time, 5 days out of the week, I'm in shoes. So I think I'm gonna go buy me some white socks because I don't have very many white pair of socks. I think I'm gonna go buy some white ankle socks this weekend and just wear those when I'm at work instead of wearing the black socks and then the black socks staining my feet. So yes, that is a what's on my nails video. Like I have to explain. Y'all probably like, why are you explaining all this? I have to explain some of these things because people will literally get in my inbox and be like, girl, you can get them cheaper such and such, and I wouldn't have paid that much for no nails. And that's why I do press-ons. Do you, boo. Slay in your own way, okay? I'm a slay in my way, and I work hard. I bust my tail. My kids are taken care of. My home life is taken care of. There's not a bill that's late, missing, or overdue. So with that being said, I'm going to spend my coinage, my hard-earned coinage, on what I choose to spend my hard-earned coinage on, and that's what that is. So, you know, sometimes you gotta let people know. And if you come in my inbox with that, if you come correct, I can take some correctness. But if I feel like you're trying to get cute and you don't know how to be mute, I will block and ban you. I don't argue. I'm too old to argue. I'm like 38 years old. 38-year-olds don't argue with Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter, or Instagram people. I just don't do it. So yeah, let me show y'all my toes real quick. I'll be back. So these are my toes. I hope you can see them real good. She did really good with cleaning them, and I just love the way she do my toes. Every time I go to her, I ask for Lynn because she always makes my toes look so pretty. So those are my toes for the month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this what's on my nails video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if this is a channel you think you're interested in. We don't just do what's on my nails, we do vlogs, we do hauls. I'm getting ready to come up with something for me and the children to do, some challenges. We're starting to do mukbangs every now and then. We're not just hyped up on them, but we do them every now and then. And we just vlog about our real life and reality, and it's unscripted. So what you see is what you get, and I'm grown, so I do cuss. And the people I hang with are grown, and they do cuss. So sometimes cussing might not be your forte, honey. I cuss. So I try to keep it to a minimum when I'm with my children. But they know mama cuss because she grown. So, but we are real family, and we do real things, and we keep it 100 over here. And I don't have time to be scripted, so you're not gonna see nothing scripted. It's real time, real life. Everything is going on at that moment. So alright, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember simplikeii will always tell you you're beautiful because you simply are. And if you're wondering what this hair is, this is Sensational's Yaki 30. I really love this hair. This is a good summer unit when you just want to pop something on and go. Like, I got on some biking shorts, a tank top, and this hair, honey, and I'm serving and giving life. So this is a real good unit when you just want to pop on something and go because you got errands to run. This is my errand wig. Like, I'm gonna take it off as soon as I finish filming because we back in the house now. And I only wear her every now and then. She does tangle, but then she's 30 inches of hair. What do you expect? But for the most part, she's a really good wig. So yeah, I'm finna get out of here. I'll see you later. Bye.